Today we're in the Valley here at Galpin Autosports in Van Nuys, California at their annual car show. Come with me and let's check some cars out. Here at the car show, and we have both of our shop cars here. We have the X5 and the M3. If you didn't know this, these wheels are actually the same, obviously different diameters and widths, but one is non-rotational and one is rotational. So this is a 440 and this is an R5445. This is an Apex edition, that's a Sport edition. Both very similar but different each in their own way. Come with me and let's go check out our SEMA project from last year. So this was Galpin's SEMA build from last year. They decided to go with our floating lake three-piece design, which is a 1221 design, AP3LX. So the inner, the outer, and the center are all pocketed straight through. Where our friends at Always Evolving have some of their rigs. Tommy's truck is over there, the general manager of Galpin, and we did some wheels for his rapper. Check it out. Personal truck, and obviously we hooked them up with some 1221 wheels, so his ride is looking fresh. So this is a galvanized truck that came out pretty sweet. We did some 1221 Raptor wheels, obviously, with green V-lock rings, and they also did some green touch-up accents all around the truck, but it's for sale, so come pick it up from Galpin. Because these are for sale.
Right?
Not for sale. For sale, not for sale. supercharge it. He's bagged it. He did all sorts of crazy things. There's too much to even name on the list, but the car looks stunning. So it's been a while since I've seen it, but I heard that Salamandra's Raptor's inside here. So let's go check it out. I'm sure you've seen the video, but this thing is nuts. It's here somewhere. I don't know where, but it's here.
Tyler, Brandon, good to see you guys.
Good to see you,
good to see you, man. Have a good one.
Buddy. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
See you soon.
Enjoy the day, guys.
You as well. So we finally found it, and it's here in Gas's main shop, along with 4 GTs, his Rolls Royce, an old Aston Martin, and all sorts of other cars.
It's more track oriented, you know. The green one.
Nearing an end, and we're gonna have to wrap all this stuff up. So thanks for hanging out with me and checking out all of our cars and the cool builds that we've been doing lately. Peace out, I'll see you in the next one.